Did you know the biggest cash heist in American history was solved by the killer's own greed? December 11, 1978, JFK Airport. A crew led by James Burke was about to steal almost $6 million from Lufthansa's cargo building. They had the perfect inside man, a Lufthansa worker who gave them everything. Security codes, shift schedules, alarm locations, 64 minutes. That's all it took. They disabled every alarm, tied up 11 employees with tape, loaded van after van with cash and jewelry. By morning, they had vanished with what's worth $22 million today. The FBI had almost nothing to go on, but Burke got paranoid. He started killing his own crew members, one by one, to eliminate witnesses. The bodies kept piling up, and each murder gave investigators more clues. The very thing Burke thought would save him destroyed him. Most of the money was never found. Burke died in prison, but his story lived on forever in Martin Scorsese's Goodfellas, the perfect heist, ruined by the imperfect killer.